Today we're gonna make a basic white glue slime. You only need a few ingredients. I did Elmer's glue, cactus blossom, baking soda, and contact solution, and blue dye. So first, we're going to put the Elmer's glue, one cup of Elmer's glue into here. Gotta be careful. Start pouring that in. After putting 1 cup in there, put it in your bowl, and then get one of your mixing tools, and then scrape all the other stuff in there to get out. After that, we're going to use our soap to make it smell better, and add fluffing to the slime. After you do your best job, we're going to do 24 pumps of the soap into here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. After doing 24 pumps, you start stirring. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe. It will really help me. You're gonna mix this for, I guess, like 5 minutes so. Well, not too long, because you'll be here all day. But we're just gonna keep on mixing here. 1 minute. Okay. After we do 1 minute, after you're done stirring, we're going to add our food dye. I want to use blue and 2 drops of food dye. You're going to start mixing again, and then next is baking soda. We're just going to keep on mixing here until it's really blue. Now, next we're going to add baking soda. 1 tablespoon of baking soda right here. Okay. After you put the baking soda into your 1 tablespoon, you're going to start mixing. After you do that, we're going to do 1 to 2 tablespoons of contact solution, but if you only need to use 1, great. After doing your first tablespoon of contact solution, you start mixing. And after you mix, you're going to start playing with it. And if it's way too sticky, then you're going to add 1 more tablespoon of contact solution. after you're mixing it, it's time to play with it. So you put your mixing tool down and roll up your sleeves if you're wearing long sleeves and start playing with it. If it's way too sticky, then you are going to add 1 more tablespoon of contact solution. After you keep on playing with it, after you keep on playing with it, 1 more. My slime might need 1 more tablespoon. I just added 1 more contact solution, 1 more tablespoon of contact solution to make it less stickier. Let's see if I can get the stuff off my hand. Yep. So that second contact solution did work. It got that off my hands. Now it's technically almost done. I just have to keep on mixing. Just keep on mixing. Get the stuff off the side and into the slime. Oops. And then keep on playing with it. And I'm making basic white glue slime. You can make, and I'm following a recipe in a book. Right, there's a book right there, and there's a recipe telling you what to do. So I'm following the book ingredients and steps to make the slime. But you can follow me and do every single step that I do to make a blue slime, a blue fluffy slime. And it smells like the stuff we use right there, cactus bloom soap. We're just gonna keep on mixing here. Get all the stuff on the sides. And I'm just gonna keep on playing with it. And this is a really basic slime. And you can add this to other slime because I use this slime and I made a confetti slime out of it. So yeah, and I'm going to be making another video today with clear slime. So hope you watch that. But right here we're gonna keep on mixing. And then after that you have your cool blue plastic white glue slime. And it's really stretchy and really not too sticky. After that, I will show you my book that I was following and all the steps. This was the book I was using. I was following these steps, and when I following these steps, but there wasn't the blue. I just wanted to pit the blue for a color effect. And this book is called Ultimate Slime, and there's every kind of slime recipe you can think of. And I use that basic one, and you don't have to put color in it. It could just be plain white. Make a snow effect, and that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.